Welcome back to another Calligraphy tutorial, and today we'll be doing how to do copperplate with a pencil. So all you need is a pencil and some paper, and let's jump right into it. So your pencil can't be too sharp because it's hard to get thick and thin. See, it'll break. So you gotta kind of flatten it a bit on one side. So just draw on one side for a bit, and then you'll get this slight flat edge, and then you'll have a pointed tip with a flat edge, kind of like let's see if we can draw this. Kind of like that. This is why I do lettering. Anyways, so you kind of want like a flat little edge, so that this will be your upstroke, and then this whole flat face will be your downstroke. So what you're going to be doing is on the tip, and then you kind of tilt it back, like you tilt it back so that you just get the whole flat face, and then it's thick. And you tilt it up, tilt it down, tilt it up, tilt it down. So that's the basics of it. You'll get kind of the feel for it. But now, what is copperplate? Copperplate is typically done at 55 degrees. It is a very consistent alphabet, unlike modern. If you want to see the modern video, there'll be a link somewhere. Copperplate has a lot of rules for spacing and whatnot. We're not going to be too critical of it because it is a pencil and it's kind of different, but we're going to do our best. You can get a ruler, get a protractor, and angle it for 55 degrees. I'm not going to do that because I have my practice sheets. If you want to get them, there's a free one on my website below. It's not this one. This is part of my Basic Strokes to Complete Compositions full practice workbook that teaches you everything. It's got everything you need to know from stroke order to basic strokes, flourishes, everything you need to know. But this is just a sheet that has a 55 degree angle on it. That's just one of the sheets that come with it. More information in the description or on my store. So you're going to start with the basic strokes. Basic strokes are obviously just an entrance stroke, which is just on that top of your pencil, on this little tip here. So you just want to be like, oh. Easy peasy, right? Start with an overturn. So you do that entrance stroke at that 55 degree angle. Then you go at some point right here, you want to transition from this point to this point. So you want to go thin to thick. Thick. And then the underturn is the opposite of that, which is you want to make your flat top down and thin up. So this is where you're going, being on that face of your pencil, but then also ease up on your pressure. So that, up, up, compound stroke, which is a double transition. So you want to start thin, go on that flat face, go up, thin face. Up, transition, transition back. A little bit tricky. The next trickier one, in my opinion, is the oval, which is the same thing as your compound, just in a different direction. So you're going to start here, as this says. You're going to go up thin, you're going to transition to thick, and then back to thin, and then meet up at that point. Thick, thin, thin, thick, thin, thin, thick, thin. Next, we're going to go to the ascender. Thin. And then you transition to a big downstroke. A big downstroke. And then try to get to your flat bottom. The best thing about a pencil, you can always touch it out. Descender is the same thing, just in reverse. So you're going to do your big, thick downstroke. lowercase alphabet. So for your flat tops, which you'll see right here, try to do like a little stroke over and then go down. Obviously smaller than that, but like just like how you would do with pen and ink. Your flat tops are kind of a style point for Copperplate. So you go over a little bit, back down. Forgive my angling. Got a microphone in my face. Flat bottom on the H. Flat top to the I and the J. Best thing about the pencil is that you can erase at any time. So if you don't think you did the angle right, like say over here I didn't, just erase it and start again. P is a very strange letter in this alphabet, but it is another one of the stylistic points of it. That is the lowercase. If you like my teaching style, I'm coming out with a Copperplate course for the dip pen soon. I've already made the PDF that will go along with it. This is this one. You can also just get it in my store, but I'm going to go through all the pages with all my tips, tricks coming up soon. But stay tuned, stay subscribed, or subscribe if you haven't, to if that's something you want to learn. And thanks for watching. Take care.